How to change Apple ID password. So open the Apple ID like website apple.com, iCloud website, and click here and sign up now. And you will see option like forget password. Click on it and enter your phone number and email. And right now continue options and enter your phone number and continue and send code and enter your code. Like receive your phone number and paste and continue and continue. Then send code email and receive your code like email like this and enter your email code, copy now and paste here and continue. And you will see option like new password and confirm password. Enter and continue. And your password is successfully updated.